Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see how we can implement a macroprocessor in Java. So in this program, first I have asked the user to enter the number of lines that are to be read, and after that what I have done is we have a variable called parameter. Inside that we will check how many parameters are there inside the hash define function, that is the macroprocessor. And after that we have string macro over here, which shows that whatever the name of the macro is, that will be stored over here. And this is the output parameter. That means inside the program, wherever the macro will be called, we have to compare the parameters of both of them. If both of them match, only then the macro will be replaced. After that we have para1 and para2, that is we have these two parameters. That is, the first parameter will be inside your macro and the second parameter will be inside your function. Okay, after that we are reading the input from the user. Now what we are doing over here is we are creating a string tokenizer object, and we are giving the input string over here, and the delimiter that is used, that is the space. So after that what we do, after that we will run this loop until we have more tokens, and this sd.next token will give you the next token that is there, which will be separated by spaces. Now what I have done is I have compared each and every token to hash define. If I find hash define, that means whatever comes next will be my macro, the name of the macro, and whatever comes after that will be the parameters, which I'll be counting over here, as you can see over here. And after that, once the parameters are counted, inside the next brackets, whatever come is my equation that has to be put inside the function. So I have taken that and I have stored it into a variable called func. After that, I will traverse through the whole program. When I am traversing, if I find the name of the macro inside any of those tokens, then I will enter into this else if block. Now once we are inside this, again I have counted the parameters. Now after that, if my number of parameters are same inside the macro and inside the function, then I have replaced the parameter 1 by parameter 2, and then I have stored it inside the output. Okay. After that, if it is not that case, then I will be saying that the number of parameters don't match. And next, I will be concatenating it with the tokens. After that, I will be printing it saying final output, and then I will be displaying the whole output. Now we will run this program and check. We have to enter the number of lines that are to be read, so I'll enter 7. Now the countdown starts. I have to write this hash define. I'll give a space, add the variable name, x is equal to x divided by x. Next, I'll say hash include stdio.h, void main, int a is equal to 10, add a, and then close this. Okay, so here you have the output. This is my final output. You have hash include stdio.h, you have void main and int a. Now you can see wherever you had add and inside the bracket a, it is all replaced by a is equal to a divided by a. So this is how the macroprocessor works. Hope you understood it. Thank you.